Alright, y'all, so, today we're going to be selling this truck. We're going to be trading it, actually. The dude is not smart. I don't know why. He said that I could have, here, I'll just show you how nice these trucks are and like everything that's coming with it for just both of my Dodges. This one and the one that's at home, the red one. So I've got to come back and then bring it down here for the guy. He said he's gonna bring it to his house, and then he'll come back and meet me here where we're meeting. It's right down here. That's where he said. Alright, right. The dude's a Dodge fan, 100%. Right here they are. Look how nice these trucks are and everything for these two trucks. The dude ain't smart. I mean, honestly. So, I'll bring the Chevy back right now. Woo! That sounds good. But I'll bring this back, get that Dodge, bring it down here, and then we'll, the other Dodge that's like that one, that red one right there, and we'll bring them back. We'll bring that Dodge here, and then we'll bring that Ford back. We'll bring the Ford to the house, and well, yeah. So I'll see you when we're coming back with the Dodge. Alright, y'all. So we just made the trade. The dude just left. He said, yeah, like he wanted to make the trade, so we made it. And now we've got super nice trucks that I can sell and get something nicer for. But I'll probably keep the Chevy. That thing's nice. It is really nice. Don't mind what I'm doing right now. I didn't know that road ended. So just don't mind what I'm doing. So no. Okay, this truck, for some reason, it likes to slide. But it's a really slidey truck. I don't know why. But right there's my very first truck I ever bought. That truck's nice. It's always gonna be my favorite. Even though the trucks like what I just bought are my favorite. One reason why that truck's gonna be, the truck down there is gonna be my favorite, is because it was my very first one. So I mean, you gotta like your very first truck. But I'm gonna get this home. So one thing. There is a four-wheeler, a Can-Am four-wheeler in here. That thing is nice. Well, I ain't saying nice, like, it's nice. It's very nice. Yeah, I'll show you. Alright, let's pull in here. Alright, let's look at this thing. I have no clue where I'm going to keep this camper, but I'm going to have to figure out a place. Alright, let's see the Can-Am. Oh, baby. Oh, come back here. There we go. Dang. Okay. Oh, it's fast. Dude, this thing will roll. I'm using my Polaris. Bruh. This thing will get up and go. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, bruh, I just stood it up. Well, wasn't that one a close one? Wasn't that close? Ooh. Okay, she gets a little deep. That got deep. That got really deep right there. Where's the deepest part? Right. Oh, it's tough. Nope. I just rode a wheelie through there. That's crazy. Ow. Well, I just jumped in the water. Alright, let's go try it over here. The Polaris is the mud four-wheeler, but water wheelie four-wheeler, I feel like. How's this thing not done? Cause this just got like a bunch of, like you can just ride wheelies all day long on that thing. And you can just balance it so much better. I mean, this, it just goes back. Like, you gotta be kidding me, dude. You gotta be kidding me. You serious? Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, get on. There ain't no way, bro. That's awesome. It's magic. Bruh. How? How? Oh, belt slipping. Oh, that ain't. Belt's fried. Y'all, the belt's fried. Oh, the belt's fried. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Belt's fried. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for today. If you enjoyed, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.